Hi everyone, and welcome to this episode of Just Jimny. In this episode we're going to be talking about the Power Plus throttle controller and if it actually saved me on fuel in eco mode with city driving. What I did was, this is purely, I see it as city driving, so it's driving to the small little cafe in the corner or driving to work via the highway with traffic. So it's not only just driving in the normal residential streets, it's also a bit of highway driving that we did on this. And I must say, with the stats, I'm quite surprised. So I'm not going to make this a long video for you guys. I'm going to give you the stats and then we can make up our minds if the Power Plus throttle is actually a fuel saver for you. So let's look at my book again. You guys will see the nice graphics. So for normal city driving in normal mode, so we did 269.7 kilometers and we used 29.5 liters of petrol. That gives us an average of 9.3 kilometers per liter on the normal mode. Then we switched into eco mode, filled the car up again, and we did 266.7 kilometers and it used 21.78 liters. That gives us 12.2 kilometers per liter. That's a massive difference in my book. You know, if you guys remember the stats between eco and normal on the long road, it actually did worse, but that was because of the conditions we were driving in. So in eco mode it gave us 10.39 kilometers per liter. In normal it gave us 10.33 kilometers per liter. For long distance, I think the fuel you're going to save in city mode is excellent. So even if you're not saving fuel on your long road trips, you're going to be saving fuel for normal city driving. I think that's excellent. And you know, at the current price point for this Power Plus throttle, beautiful Adidas, love them. But wait, there's more. I'll just wait for them to land, and then I think they're the birds with they only cry like that while they're flying, not while they're sitting on the grass. And they landed, so now they're going to be quiet. Okay, so I think final thoughts on the Power Plus throttle controller. I think in perfect conditions on the long open tarred roads, it's probably not going to give you a huge fuel saving, depending on the type of conditions as well. For normal city driving, it hit it out of the park totally. On my first test, which was off-road, it impressed me so much, the amount of adjustment, everything you get with this throttle controller, how you can adjust your car to the type of terrain you're going to be driving over. That's a plus point for me. So I think it's a win for city driving, a win for off-road driving, and then on the open road you already have it. Put it into sports mode, have some fun. You're not going to save a lot of petrol on the open road, but for city driving, off-road driving, it's just Jimny approved. Thanks a lot for watching. Please remember to subscribe, share our videos. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all those places. Please go and subscribe to us. It helps us a lot to keep this type of content going. And thanks again for watching. Just Jimny on.